I'll tell you what you
Alright, y'all, the Sundolphin is here. Just got delivered. Did the initial walkthrough inspection. No gashes, no gaps, no holes, no cracks. As you can see, we got the 2 drain plugs on the front pontoons. Go around this side. No scratches, no holes, nothing. Got the transom. If you come inside, battery box area, drain plug, pre-wired from factories, handles, gunnels, 2 seats, seat covers, manufacturer's bill of origin. And 10 minutes after the motor got here, the outboard got here. That's a 2.5 horse air-cooled outboard. That's going to sit on the back. You can see all the trays. We're going to have rod holders, Scotty Mountain rod holders, electronics, cutting boards, fire extinguishers. We will have a bimini top. Everything's already pre-wired. And we will have GoPro mounts for 360 and regular 180 video. Just trying to give you guys a little sneak peek. About to get inside because it's thundering.